Hi guys, you know what I've got in this box. You've seen the thumbnail. I've bought myself a smart doll. I'm very excited. You'll get to see who she is along with me. I'll just get right into it. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, a new bag to carry around. I've got a box of goodies. Oh my goodness. Yay! Wow. There we go. I've got, in the colour cinnamon, Dauntless. Beautiful. Let's get you out. Oh wow. I'm not sure which colours the underwear comes in, but this is like an off-white, maybe a beige or a grey. There we go. Get a look at her. This is the G7 sculpt. She's got beautiful sort of dark greeny blue, well, cold blue eyes. I love her serious look. That's what attracted me to her. Goodness, she is big. Oh wow. Yes. Squeaky. She's nicely posable. Got a nice curve to the back. Look at the back of her. Oh, wow. She is beautiful. So exciting. Pop you there. And I got some extras. You know, you've just got to go a bit extra and get the free shipping if you spend a certain amount. So there are more things. Go. I've got the optional extra hands set number 2, which is super. I love the expression. And we have the stand for the back, help her keep her balance. We've got her wig in the colour maple. So let's see how easy it is to get that on her. Yeah. And some elf ears so that I can make her elven and magical. And also the, I think they're fairly new, 3-ring boots. I thought I might as well get a really good pair of Culture Japan boots to go with her. I will make her clothes and all sorts of things, no doubt, but I thought I would get one pair of proper boots. Get me started. So we'll see what those look like on her as well. So I should, for the wig, be able to put it on her head while it's separate. And we have, oh lovely, yay, yay, yay. Mirai card, right there. Now. I love the wig colour. Really lovely. Oh. It's got quite a weight to it. The hair, oh, it's so lovely. It's not even on her yet, and it's lovely. So, from what I've seen, get the front in place first. Now this is a side part. Pull this back. Oh yeah, that's not too bad. Go a bit further. So nice. There she is with her hair. Oh, she's gorgeous. Wow. I will quickly try on her boots and her stand. So this is like a tripod leg, goes in the slot in the back. Okay, and it doesn't need to go all the way in. Let's see. Oh, cool. Let's look at these boots. Oh, they're gorgeous. Lovely details. Great soles, all molded. Oh yeah, worth the money. Probably more than I've spent on boots for myself, but worth it. Nice. So soft inside. That's really nice. Oh wow. It says Smart Doll, made in Japan, designed by Choo. Let's see. Of course, they fit perfectly. There we go. How does she look? If you can see all of her, she's a bit taller than me. Gorgeous. Look at those boots. Now the elf ears should go over her existing ears, but tuck into and under the wig. So I'll give them a quick try. No guarantees if I'll get them to look good first try though. So under the wig. Oh, okay. Take a little hair over the front. Side of the wig down a bit. There we go. What do you think? She is enchanting. Oh, I'm so pleased with her. She came super quick once she had shipped from Japan, and she got some extra customs charges added on, which is to be expected in this country, but she arrived quickly, painlessly. Wonderful. Oh, I'm so pleased with her. She's absolutely gorgeous. All right, since we've tried everything else, I'll try some of the hands as well. Hands. So what we got? Ooh, grabby hands. Ooh, quite nice and flexible. They've got little molded fingernails, so you could give her a little manicure. Nice. Holding cup hands. Lovely. So the ones she comes with are sort of open. Yeah, they are different to any of these. So we've got straight hands. Let's see. Is it that? Oh yeah, you hold the ball and you pull that out. Yeah, see the fear in my eyes. Okay, so they're squishy. Let's get rid of the straight hands. So it's got a flat pedal kind of thing that you paddle. A flat paddle that our hands go onto. Hold the ball. Whoop, wobble, wobble. There we go. Some different hands. That is easy to change. Okay. Nice. And apparently you can pull this joint out and get a bit of a like double jointed elbow. Yeah, okay, so you can get a nice angle on the arm there by pulling this sort of, not quite a peanut joint, but pulling this joint out a little bit. Well, I'm so happy with her. She's gonna have to follow me around until she gets all her clothes. Okay, you need a wardrobe of your own now. Beautiful. Well, what do you think, guys? Do you have a smart doll? Do you want a smart doll? Is Santa going to be treating you this year? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, no clothes for now, but it won't be too long. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.